15 to 30 is prompt. And if you have response time more than 30 minutes, so no urgent action required. So this table is very important table, and this has been taken from the edges, and this has been given in the terms of reference. So what we will do, we will qualify every alarm. After qualification, we will try to understand the severity of inaction, and we will try to identify the immediate or time required for mitigating the effect. So if you see, immediate is 0 to 5 minutes, rapid 5 to 15 minutes, prompt 15 to 30 minutes, and not urgent 30 minutes. So if you see here in vertical section, this is the risk, low risk, medium risk, and high risk. What is low, medium, high? I will take you through about the risk matrix. So if low band is there and 0 to 5 minute is there, so we will qualify this is a P2 category. The same wise, if immediate action is required 0 to 5, and if it is high severity, it is a P1. So this is how we are going to select the priority P1, P2, P3, and of course, generally a P4 if it is a legacy issue. Now I will quickly go for the terms of reference. Let me start from the starting. And I'm very sure each of you must have seen the terms of reference, and you must have gone through that. So in the page number 16, the alarm priorities are given here, P1, P2, P3, high, medium, low. This has been taken from the table, what I have just explained to you. And this is the urgency time type. This is the response time required to mitigate the impact. So immediate, rapid, prompt, and not urgent. That is the basis of the time. And this is how we are going to select P1, P2, P3, P4. And this is the flow chart. This is the as per the edges. Last thing I want to explain and I want to tell you. See, this is a severity table. This is how we are going to define. If your risk is coming in notable band, so it is low. Minor and serious is medium. Major, catastrophe and disaster is high. And after that, if you see, this priority is given by default. If it is coming in fire and gas alarm, irrespective of risk of P1, what we have done, this will be prioritized P1. There is no need to do the alarm rationalization. It is by default P1. Let's say if it is coming fire and detection in calibration mode. If it is in calibration mode, so it is P3 because you are doing calibration, you are doing some testing. So this is P3. So if any alarm is coming in this category, we will qualify the